श्रावण मासी हर्ष मानसी हिरवळ दाटे चोहीकडे क्षणात येते सरसर शिरवे क्षणात फिरुनी ऊन पडे. I am reciting this beautiful poem by Balkavi called Shravan Mas. It's all about the month of Shravan, which is this beautiful monsoon, which is all about lush green trees and thundering clouds, and it is so pure and it makes me feel so fresh and pure from within. I love it. Shravan for me is all about yummy, nutritious food, and today I'm going to be making two recipes. One is savory and one is sweet. Both need the same ingredient, that is sweet potato, that's also called shakarkand, and this is a superfood, guys. It is yummy, like it is such a versatile vegetable. I can myself at least make 8 different recipes out of this. So today I decided to show you 2. So first we're going to start with the savory one, that's called Rataracha Khees. Ratara is shakarkand, that's sweet potato, and it's nothing but grated sweet potato sauteed. So I'm going to quickly show you the ingredients. So this is a fasting specials, and for that we're going to require ghee. It's always made in ghee. This is jaggery. People can also use sugar if you want. So green chilies. This is rock salt, because rock salt is what is used in fast, that is upavas. And this is cumin seeds. This is grated coconut. This is crushed peanuts, and a little bit of curry leaves, and of course some sweet potato. So I'm going to start grating the sweet potato, and do not get rid of the skin, guys. Sweet potatoes are a superfood, and the skin has maximum nutrition, so please do not get rid of the skin. It is yummy and it adds a lot of nutritional value. So this is done thanks to the food processor. I'm going to start with the tadka now. I prefer a flat pan, but you can also do it in a wok. Both works fine. I prefer this because I like the keys to be a little crispy, so this works better for me. So I'm adding some ghee. Once the ghee is melted, I'm adding jeera. Don't let the jeera burn. I'm going to be adding the green chilies, the curry leaves, and now the star ingredient, the grated sweet potato. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt and a little bit of jaggery. I'm going to be adding a little bit of water. Mix it again. And now let this steam for at least 6 to 7 minutes on a low flame. So this is almost cooked. It still needs about 2 minutes. At this point, I'm going to be adding the crushed peanuts. This is almost 1 cup. Now this is almost done, and to this I'm going to be adding the juice of half a lemon. So give it a mix, and you know the crispy bits are all stuck at the bottom, and that is the best part. They're going to be adding that texture to it, the crunchy texture to it. Now we move on to the next recipe, which is the sweet one. This is called Ratarachi Sutar Pedi. Which sounds a little complicated, but it's not. It is actually very easy. It is nothing but grated sweet potato crepe. So just keep the cast iron tawa to heat up. So as you all know, I try not to use the non-stick pans. I am actually loving this cast iron tawa since I bought it. It works just fine. It is non-stick and really healthy. I've lined the tawa with ghee, and the pan is nice and hot. Now all you have to do is make this into a crepe. Just sprinkle the grated sweet potato. See to it that there are no bunches. It's all separated out but yet sticking to each other. That's it. To this I'm just adding a little bit of jaggery. You can add sugar if you want. And just press it down so that it all combines together and sticks with each other to make it a nice crepe. And I'm just going to cover it with a lid, but just for a minute on a low flame. So like I told you, this is my grandmom's recipe. You will not find it anywhere on the internet or anywhere for that matter. I don't even know what it is called because we call it Ratarachi Sutar Feni. And like I said, it is just a crispy crepe of grated sweet potato. It's yummy, and you can, if you want, you can also make it savory. You know, just by not adding sugar, you can add salt and a little bit of chilies, and it becomes a savory crepe. We like it sweet. So now this is done from one side. I'm going to quickly turn it. Wow, can you see all the caramelized bits? This is what is going to give it that smoky flavor, and you know, that's why I love jaggery. It's healthy and it's yummy. Now on this side I'm going to add a little more jaggery. So keep a watch on it. You just need 1 minute on each side. It cooks really fast so that it doesn't burn. So you're looking for this golden brown color. So now this one is done, and what I'm going to do is, for it to cool down, I'm going to just take it onto the mesh. So that it cools down and stays crispy and also gets a shape. So let's get to the plating. The crepes are ready. So it's the keys. I'm going to be eating on a banana leaf, and I'm going to be keeping it all natural. So I'm just seasoning the leaf. And just like that, my Shravan special Upavas meal is ready. That's Ratarachi Keys, and that's Ratarachi Sutar Feni. Do try it out. I am sure you guys are gonna love this. It is yummy, nutritious, very, very easy. I think this is the easiest recipe. Anybody can make it. And I want to wish you all a very happy and blessed Shravan month. Hope you all take care of yourselves, your immunity, stay strong physically and from within. Also let me know if you have any Shravan special recipes that I can try out. Comment below, let me know that, and also let me know how this turns out if you try it. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and see you all soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.